Hi, welcome to Performance Unlimited. Today for you guys, we have one of our 383 full 100 horsepower engine combinations. We go a little bit how this motor is designed. Start out with the late model 350 block. Got the Eagle 383 stroke rotating assembly. We have a custom ground hydraulic roller camshaft in this model. It's got the Edelbrock E Street aluminum cylinder heads on it. For the valve train, we go with the stainless steel full fulcrum roller rockers and the Manley push rods. This customer asked us to upgrade the valve covers to the 383 stroker style aluminum valve covers, which really came out sweet looking. And as well, he chose to go with the MSD Atomic EFI. If you're interested in having a package like this designed for your vehicle, feel free to give us a call at 1-800-267-3940 or check us out online at PerformanceUnlimited.com. Let's take you over to Donald. I think you'll be pretty impressed.